Hey everybody, Crypto Vet here coming at you from the Coin Bunker. And today we're going to answer the question using GROK3 AI, what are the top 5 altcoins for potential short-term explosive growth in 2025? I think that's a pretty good question. Okay, so identifying altcoins with potential short-term explosive growth in 2025 involves looking at market trends, technological advancements, community support, and recent performance. Based on available data and sentiment, here are 5 altcoins that stand out for potential rapid gains in the near term. All right, let's get to it. All right, Solana. This one didn't surprise me. Solana has been consistently highlighted for its scalability and speed, making it a favorite for developers and investors. Its ecosystem is thriving with millions of daily transactions and a growing number of projects. Solana's on-chain activity remains strong, and its price on April 15th, 2025 was around 196.90 with a market cap of 96 billion, suggesting room for growth if market sentiment turns bullish. Analysts see it as a top contender due to its technological edge over competitors like Ethereum. Okay, so that's no surprise. Now, Render Token, I don't know much about Render Token, but it's on here. Render Token is gaining traction due to its AI and rendering application. Used in high-profile projects like the opening titles for Westworld Season 4 and digital ads for Coca-Cola, its network usage tripled in 2024 with over 40 million frames rendered, and a growing demand for GPU power and AI training positions it well for 2025. Render is seen as a leader in the AI crypto narrative, which is expected to drive significant growth. Wow, I mean, I really didn't know that about Render. That's something to definitely look into. Okay, AVAX. Now I know about AVAX. I remember when AVAX was like $3. AVAX offers fast transaction speeds and low fees with a price of $20 as of April 15th, 2025. Forecasts suggest a potential range of 1770 to 9110, and I thought that said 19, but that's 9110 in 2025, driven by institutional adoption and tokenizing trends. Its TVL and DeFi pools indicate strong ecosystem adoption, making it a candidate for short-term gains if market conditions improve. And we got to keep that in mind. This is all if market conditions can improve, because we're in a bearish market right now. So AVAX, wow, potential $90. That's not. Okay, let's move on to Polkadot. Now, I'm familiar with Polkadot too. Polkadot is forecasted to trade between $4.10 and $13.90 in 2025, with a stretched target of $19. Its focus on cross-chain communication positions is a key player in the evolving blockchain space. Posts on X also highlight DOT as a top pick due to its expanding ecosystem and strong fundamentals, suggesting potential for rapid price movements if it breaks any key resistance levels. Okay, that's also just going to include is going to depend on the overall market. Okay, Chainlink is our last one. Chainlink's role as a decentralized Oracle network makes it essential for smart contracts that rely on real-world data. It has partnered with over 1,600 projects and facilitated $7 trillion in transaction value. Link is highly liquid, and as of 2025 is trading about 40% of its 2021 all-time high, indicating room for growth. Its utility in DeFi and beyond makes it a strong candidate for explosive short-term gains. Now, I remember just reading an article about Link, and I think it was PayPal said that they were going to now accept Solana and Chainlink, I think, for U.S. customers. If I remember right, that's what it was. Okay, so let's take a look. If you see my morning market pulse updates, I kind of go over the price every day of the top 5 coins. Okay, well, we're having a little bit of a crash right here in real time. So today it's down 1.9, it just flipped 1.9% to 135.99, and for the week, it's still up 5% for the week, but it's currently diving right now. Let's see what render's doing. Okay. This one is, what is the current price? Okay, 4.26, and it's up 5.87, 5.87. AVAX, I don't know why that render chart looks like that. Okay, AVAX, $19.32. It's down slightly today for the week. For the week, it's down 3.3%. Polkadot is up today, down. Okay, let's go and see how much each one of these are down for the month. Chainlink is down 7.71%, 13.5% for Polkadot for the month. AVAX is up 4.6 for the month. Solana is up for the month. So Polkadot is down the most as of right now, and if I could figure out how to deal with this chart. Okay, this is 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month. Okay, so right now it's at 4.23. It's been as high as $10. So it looks like it's going to be either this one or Polkadot. So let's go back and ask GROK what he thinks. Okay, here we are back at the GROK screen. We're just going to go ahead and ask that question. Which one is the best to buy now? Okay, out of these 5 coins, GROK, which is the best to buy now? Sometimes it takes a minute for GROK to think. Now, guys, I mean, if you get bored with analysis and information, you might not like some of my videos because I'm not going to have explosions and rockets going off over my head and dollar signs flashing like some of these other guys on their channel. I just don't even care about that. This is about the information. All right. To determine the best to buy now, let's evaluate them based on recent price trends. Okay, it's going to go through each one of these again. Comparative analysis. Well, maybe we should just do this, guys. It's going to be a long one. All right, let's do it. Okay, price and performance of Solana. As of April 2025, Solana is trading at 196.90 with a market cap of 96 billion. Forecast suggests a range of 122 to 490 in 2025 with an average around 142, indicating it's currently above its predicted average but has room to grow towards the upper end forecast of 490. However, a recent 14.34% weekly dip as of March 13th suggests short-term volatility. And that's what I've been saying, guys. Once we get past this trade volatility, oh wow, it's going to be great. Okay, Solana is known for its high-speed transaction. Okay, we already know the strengths. The challenges, past network outages, okay, signal instability, and sentiment. Posts on X indicate Solana remains an investor favorite. All right, so let's go to Render. Price and performance. Render is priced at $7.46 as of January 2025 with no more recent price data. Its integration with Solana and growing demand for decentralized GPU rendering Yeah, look at Coca-Cola used this and it was successful use in Westworld. I mean, that's big time, exposure. Okay, strengths. RNDR taps into the AI and rendering boom with network usage tripling in 2024, the increasing need for GPU power. Okay, challenges. As a smaller cap altcoin, RNDR may face higher volatility, less liquidity compared to larger projects like Solana or Chainlink. The sentiment: RNDR is gaining attention for its utility, as noted in posts on X. It's a niche, and AI and media makes it a trendy pick for 2025. AVAX price performance. It's at $20. It's got a range of 17 to 91 in 2025. It's been up 5% last 24 hours. Showing short-term minimum, a golden cross pattern in its EMA 50 to 200 day chart suggests potential for upward movement. Strengths: Avalanche offers near instant transaction finality and low fees. We know challenges. It faces competition with Ethereum and Solana. The sentiment posts on X: AVAX is bouncing off key support levels and its ecosystem growth, making it a reliable choice for developers because of its ecosystem growth. Bear with me for mistakes here, guys. It's one of those PPOP videos, potential profit over perfection. Let's move on to Polkadot. Okay, with Polkadot, price and performance. DOT is trading at 4.47 as of March the 13th, with forecasts for 2025 ranging from 410 to 1390. And a stretch target of $19. It's soared 122% in the past month as of December 2024. Though it's currently in bearish territory. Okay, strengths: Polkadot's impropriety and parachain system make it a leader in cross-chain communication. Sorry, guys. Crucial for multi-blockchain future. Upcoming upgrades like Polkadot 2.0 aim to boost scalability further. The challenges: despite recent gains, DOT's price remains below key resistance levels, 866 to 1157, and its bearish trend could persist without a broader market rally. Okay, the sentiment: analysts like Sparkinus on X are bullish, with a Hall moving average 9, a buy signal supporting a potential reversal. Its role in Web3 infrastructure keeps it relevant. Okay, so Chainlink price and performance. It's currently at, let's see, performance ranging in 2025 from $12.30 to $39.20. It's trading about 40% of its 2021 all-time high, suggesting room for growth. Analyst WSB trader Rocco recently noted the bottom might be in for Link. And we mentioned earlier about the news that we had on Link concerning PayPal. The strengths: Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network is critical for DeFi, NFTs, and gaming, with partnerships like Swift and Google Cloud adding credibility. Its integration with Solana and staking features enhances its utility. The challenges are lack of transparency in token supply, and competition in the Oracle space could pose risks, though its established role mitigates this somewhat. Sentiment: analysts are highly bullish, predicting Link could hit triple digits in Q2 of 2025. Here we go. PayPal's reported plan to offer Link purchases to 400 million users signals mainstream adoption potential. All right, so out of these so far, it sounds like, for me, I think Render and Link, just because they're newer, but let's see what else it says. Short-term growth potential: RNDR stands out due to its niche in the AI rendering. A sector with growing demand, and its relatively low price offers high upside potential. Solana also has strong short-term potential if EFT approval rumors materialize. Yeah, we did a news story on that about its. They're still waiting for their ETF approval, but I'm not sure I even want that, guys. Look at what's going on with Bitcoin. Now that it's been broadly adopted, people try to short it. Now these ETFs, you can short it using the ETFs and all this kind of stuff. Ecosystem strength. Solana and AVAX have the most robust ecosystems with thousands of projects for development activity. Chainlink's utility across multiple blockchains, including Solana, make it a foundational player. Price momentum. AVAX and DOT have shown recent gains of 5.21% and 122% respectively, with Sol and Link have faced short-term declines. RNDR's momentum is less clear due to outdated price data. Mainstream adoption. Chainlink and Solana benefit from high-profile partnership like adoption signals. Okay, here we go. Recommendation. As of April the 20th, 2025, Link appears to be the best altcoin to buy now among the 5, and here's why. Undervalued with high upside. Trading at $21.75 as of January 2025 price data. I don't know why this is such old price data. Link is well below forecasted high of $39.22 for 2025 and significantly under its peak 2021 price, offering substantial growth potential. Okay, it also references the strong fundamentals, its key role in decentralized Oracle, and is indispensable for DeFi and smart contracts. The market sentiment analysis is overwhelmingly bullish, with predictions of triple digits in Q2, like we said earlier. The scalability, compared to RNDR, higher volatility as a smaller cap, and Sol, recent dip in outage concerns, Link offers a balance of stability and growth potential. That said, if you're looking for a higher risk and higher reward option, Render token could be a close second, due to its alignment with the booming AI sector and integration with Solana's ecosystem. However, its lack of recent price data makes it harder to assess. Isn't that interesting? Because earlier when we read through that other list, I said it looks like Render and Link are the best. Okay, final note. Cryptocurrency markets are unpredictable. We know that. The prices can shift rapidly. Link's combination of utility, undervaluation, and bullish sentiment makes it the strongest pick right now. But monitor market conditions closely, especially for news on ETF approvals for Solana or ecosystem expansions. AVAX DOT. Always diversify and invest only in what you can afford to lose. Okay, so that's it, guys. Sorry for the mistakes, we just go over the facts here and we analyze. We don't try to get too fancy, so that's how we do it here. So I hope you enjoyed this information. You saw the top 5. It's going to be Solana, RNDR, AVAX, Polkadot, and Chainlink. And of those top 5, Chainlink is the best value right now, with Render pulling up at a close second. So, hey, we'll see you next time, guys. I'm also going to do one of these on the top 5 meme coins and possibly the top 5 long-term holds for crypto, because those are basically 3 different categories. So I will see you next time. Please subscribe and like. The channel's only about a month old, guys, but we're growing. I'll see you next time. Thanks.